gift refined under pressure and heat. Cut through doubt where fear and courage meet. More than a present wrapped in surprise, it wakes the fire behind your eyes. Not just a box with a ribbon tied, but tools to sharpen the stolen side. Training real, not theory thin, built to shape the champion within. Rise like a diamond, cut for you, a special design that makes you new. Victory rising, bold and free, a gift becoming destiny. Oh, rise like a diamond, feel it grow, a sharper mindset starts to show. Free to receive, too strong to hide, the greatest gift shines deep inside. Not lecture halls with fading notes, with practical power that truly floats. Mentors guiding in every lane, mindset, money, brand and name. Marketing moves ahead of the curve, unlocking the leader you deserve. It clears the doubt, it shifts the frame, impact your life and fuse your flame. Rise like a diamond, cut for you, a special design that makes you new. Victory rising, bold and free, a gift becoming destiny. Oh, rise like a diamond, feel it grow, a sharper mindset starts to show. Free to receive, too strong to hide, the greatest gift shines deep inside. Oh, when you become more, you give more too. That's how the strongest leaders move. Centered heart, intention clear, uplifting lives year by year. From one small spark to a global flame, helping humanity rise again. Rise like a diamond, like the sky, cut to brilliance, born to fly. Live more boldly, feel less time.